Alright, let's give this the old 1-2 try. We got a janky lock here screwed up. You can see it's not what it should be, and it'll eventually drop out, or someone's going to get locked out. You know the deal. It's a panic latch system. Panic bar, I want to call it. Panic. Let's to see how much I'm going to have to take apart here to get this lock cylinder back in. See how far out it is. Surprisingly, it was still working the other day. See? Still actuates, surprisingly. Alright, let's take off the covers. I imagine the whole thing's going to have to come off. We're going to find out, aren't we? Alright, where'd it go? Wow. And this one don't have one, huh? It's missing two, actually. There we go. Oh, it's all falling apart. Look at that. That's why I want to fix it up before it becomes an emergency. Yep, it's all got to come off too. That's not too bad. Here's the tail piece. Oh, it's all janky. We knew that. Let's see how we can make it better. I'll take that off too. That was not what I was expecting. So this actually is going to be easier than I think. I should never say that, but I was expecting a ring and some threads, like a lock nut that come loose and I would have to tighten it up. But it appears it's just these two screws. So hopefully that's good news. So let's go and get this in tight. The lock cylinder. Ooh. Oh, know, my eyes are playing tricks on me. I saw this flapping back and forth. But some parts are flying around. Alright. That looks good. Let's get a flathead screwdriver going.
Sorry. No, I'll tell you I got that part right there. Okay, all set, all ready to go for Tuesday. Okay, thank you.
Forgot I'm at work. I need to take a before and after picture. So I need to get my iPhone so I can apply it to the work order. Just in case somebody has a question. So I don't think this is going to be too bad, but it ain't done until it's done. You know what I mean? These receiving doors get really beat up. Just high use. It's not that they're bad doors or anything. They just get lots of wear and tear. They get beat up, they get smashed on. And the hot and the cold. The abuse. We do have a key card access to let you in, but not everybody has a key card, and any system doesn't run 100% all the time. So you need a way, another alternative way to get in. Your basic lock, key and lock. This is a Van Duperen panic bar latch system. One of many models that they have, of course. Alright, that's tight. It's tight. Turns. Let's go ahead and put it back on. Let's grab some screws. Alright, let's line up where the tailpiece is supposed to go. Easier said than done. Aha, I think I got it. I got it. Guess it will. Alright, got too tight. That one's not. Let's go for a third one. Let's see if we can put tight. Yes. Alright, 3 out of 4. take the 3 out of 4. Alright. Does my key come out? Yeah. So it's doing what we need to do. Put the cover back on. With the 2 remaining screws. Saved myself a disaster on a Friday at 4:30 when they say we can't get in or we can't lock the door and leave the building unlocked all weekend, and the poor on-call guy's got to come out here and figure it out after he just got home. Alright, I just gotta make a work order for this since it wasn't important to anybody, more myself. Alright, door's locked. Door's locked. Unlock it. The lock is not going anywhere. We good. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit that like button, please. Consider subscribing. And for more content, take a look at this one. Appreciate it. Take care.